Do you regularly check your email inbox? Do you have an email account? I'm referring to email providers like Yahoo, Gmail, and others. If the response is affirmative, you're in luck because what I'm about to demonstrate can help you earn up to $1,500 just by opening and reading emails. There are no challenging steps, no prerequisites for technical expertise or experience, and no obstacles to clear. To start making money, just click open and read the emails. You will be paid more the more emails you read. To help you earn 3 times as much money as the average person, I'll also reveal a few additional powerful strategies if you stick with me until the very end. Let me explain how it works now before I tell you the name of the website. These are the 3 simple steps you must adhere to in order to get paid for reading emails online. In under 2 minutes, you can open a free Gmail or Yahoo account. I want you to go to paidtoreademails.com for the second step. First, I'll walk you through creating a free account and receiving a $5 sign-up bonus. Simply choose your gender, male or female, and proceed to enter your first name, email address, and password before pressing the sign up button. You can sign up and get a $5 bonus by clicking the sign up button, as you can see here. You can proceed after entering your zip code, reading and accepting the terms and conditions, and verifying that you are not a robot. It is that simple. Please pay close attention to this section because I'll be demonstrating a fantastic strategy for increasing your income. You only need to click this button to visit this page, where you can see that Cash Surveys lets you get paid between 50 cents and $1 for each survey you complete. There are 3 main categories, as you can see. You can complete as many surveys in the first one, your surveys, as you please. However, you'll make more money by taking more surveys. First, make sure that each time you log into your account, you complete all 10 of the 10 restricted surveys in the Dynata Surveys category. You can earn $5 after finishing this category because you completed 10 surveys. A limitless, higher-paying service that will pay you $1, $2, or even $5 for each survey is then available to you. The advantage of this is that you have an infinite number of options for each of those categories, making it simple to complete surveys on your phone and earning $2, $3, $4, or $5 for each one that you finish. You can proceed to the cash offers after finishing all of the cash surveys, as you can see here. You can do this to earn money without making any of your own efforts. Spread the word about this chance to earn 15% of your friends and acquaintances' incomes, without having to put in any of your own effort. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up.